All right, we're gonna try mulching some grass. So verdict is awesome?
I think it's awesome.
Just after 6:30 a.m. Just got to the yard because a little late today because I went and got a coffee. What we're filming today is on the back of that trailer. I don't want to show it. It's a secret. I'm really excited to show you guys this. Lots of you guys in the comments have told us to get this. It's a skid steer attachment, as you can probably tell by the title and theme, and I'm sure you guys probably already know what it is, but super excited. Let's get down there, try this thing out, and let's show you guys what we invested in. Made it to site. I didn't see my GoPro because I guess it fell during the time lapse, and I was like, oh, hopefully my GoPro isn't on the middle of the road somewhere. Made it to site here. Steph's already here. Corey's loading them up with a load of gravel that was left over. Let's go see Corey. There he is.
Hello.
Corey's just gonna load out. Attachment's on its way. And I'll show you the area that we're using the attachment in. This area right here. So we're gonna be using the attachment all the way down here for this strip. So rather than topsoiling it, we're just gonna use this tool. I know you guys know what it is, and I'm still trying to be secretive about it, but when it shows up on the trailer, that's whenever I'll officially be like, all right, boom, this is what we got. Oh, it's here. Let's go see the boys. Morning, boys. Morning. Morning. That's her. We bought a PR 184 power rake for the skid steer. It's a big wide one. There is a 190, but for our 259, I think if you're running the PR 190, I think you want it to be on like a 289D kind of size. But pretty excited to try this out. So basically, yeah, I don't want to explain it all because I literally still have no idea, but that's what we're going to be throwing on the skid steer. I can't wait to try it out. Also, if anybody from the States or from the South watches the videos, today it was 5 degrees Celsius here, which is, I don't know what Fahrenheit, but that's cold. Almost 0 degrees this morning. You can see your breath. Oh, welcome to September. So, we're going to be hooking it up. We got the bucket off the skid steer. We're gonna undo these straps and then get her going. Oh, all this physical work's getting me exhausted.
It's so cold, the straps are frozen.
Now it's lunchtime, so
yeah, holy shit.
we're going to get something to eat. We'll get back. Just kidding, Cody. Is it heavy?
Yeah, pull the plugs off. So I don't know if it goes to the big one.
I think it only connects one way.
No, I know, but there's 3 hydraulic things.
I know, but I think they fit only on one. Like, I don't think you can mess it up.
Skinny guy.
Oh. Grab those.
I'm going.
I thought you were gonna fucking love my Jesus, poor Ken.
Yeah, the horn isn't hydraulic.
No, but it's in the same button pattern. All right, see, those hoses will connect into that.
Yeah, you can't wrap it up.
There you go.
Oh.
That's like a glove. There you go. Now hook your electrical into that plug there.
Oh, I love how Kenny's taking charge.
Well, you gotta lean on the experience somewhere.
Yeah. Kenny's 81st birthday this Saturday coming up. That's pretty impressive.
Going to the A&W, he gets senior discount on coffee, so he's buying us all coffee.
We get a special reimbursement from the government because of his age.
Senior citizens employed.
All right, let's see what we got.
Jesus, I wouldn't stand in front of it.
Straight onto her, buddy.
Okay,
Oh,
whoa, Cody.
Yeah, it fits like a glove, buddy.
No, the bottom one fit like a glove. That one didn't fit as nice.
Okay, now
That's
if you
continuous
increase your
flow.
idle, that'll
Is it going the right way?
no,
glad that Kenny was the one to do it. Let's film this way. So this is what it does whenever you go backwards on it, which is kind of what we were hoping for, that it would do something like this. And it's doing a killer job. Now, I even think to get rid of these, whenever you're going backwards, you take those front plates and you pull the pins out and you put them on backwards so it collects it back. I'm gonna go have a go at it. So you can, when you're going along, you can go and you can tilt it the tilt well way. It's a pretty handy machine. He did two passes, or I did the passes here, and then now he did this one. As you can see, it's all flattening out, looking nice. Yeah.
Those are the ones that need constant attention.
Oh, okay.
Because they're the ones working in the dirt.
Yeah.
So those are the ones that need grease quite a bit. Those are your high wear bearings.
I think it's going to be really handy on the job sites. Even the bed, like, you know, like you could have done the whole bed with it.
Yeah, get it nice and close to the excavator.
Yeah.
Run over it with the rake and have it ready for grass seed.
Awesome, just went back to my time lapse and found that it fell down. So hopefully when I go back and look at the footage, at least I filmed hopefully a bit of it. Anyways, so he just finished, not finished, but working away at flattening out this. As you can tell, does an awesome job. He can get this little windrow here. But man, it does a great job. I'm really happy with how it does, actually. I'm impressed. And it's a good test because it's a little wet here this morning with the dew. We turned it around now. So we took those box cars that were on the front, and this is another thing that you can do with it, is run it back in reverse. Now we got, all the dirt's gonna collect in here. These are the things I'm talking about. So now he'll go backwards and it'll finish it off. Verdict is?
Awesome.
Sweet.
Sweet. Okay, no cowboy in it today, guys, when we're gone. Okay, see you lads. We're headed back. Hopefully I had enough to make that somewhat of a video, but I am secluding this on its own so it is its own video because I think that it's really interesting. It's satisfying to watch, kind of like the paver, like with the auger and stuff like that. That's what it reminds me of. But guys, thank you for watching this video. Also too, I want to let you guys know that if you have any comments about that, or if you've used one and have any tips or tricks for us, let me know down in the comments down below, because I would really, truly love to hear some tips and tricks on it, because like you know, obviously there's going to be some stuff that we're doing wrong with it, or some stuff that we just don't know that it does. So let me know down below. Make sure that you guys are subscribed. Make sure you're hitting that thumbs up button. Like I said, give us some feedback down below. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Today is Friday. Hopefully you had an awesome week. Today is not actually Friday, but I'm posting this on Friday, so hopefully you had an awesome week and you have an even better weekend, guys. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. And no, I didn't forget about you guys, the ones that are watching right now, which is the true patriots of the channel. You guys are patriots, and I appreciate you guys. And if you are one of those true patriots, I want you to comment down below, power rake it. Why power rake it? Because hand raking in the 21st century is just so overrated. So comment down below, power rake it, if you watch the entire video to the very end. I appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Catch you on the next one.